I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to begin immediately. Make sure your device runs the latest OS and you're signed into your account. Once done, open Settings and go directly to Screen Time on iPhone or Digital Wellbeing on Android. Enable the feature now and accept any permissions prompts for usage access. This allows per-app timing and notification counts. Make sure device-level privacy settings permit activity monitoring. Once tracking is active, you'll capture accurate foreground and background usage across individual apps, so the next steps show real data. Now focus on extracting the details. Pick a time range such as today or last 7 days so you compare patterns. On iPhone, tap See All Activity. On Android, open Dashboard or App Timers. Scroll the list to see apps ranked by minutes, then tap any app to reveal session counts, notifications received, and background versus foreground time. Once you inspect a single app, you can trace which days spiked usage and which actions triggered long sessions, which helps you decide whether limits or focus modes are necessary. Complete the process by applying controls. Set app limits or schedule downtime, and use focus modes to enforce reduced access. Make sure you sync screen time across devices if you want aggregated reporting for phone and tablet. This consolidates totals and avoids undercounting. If you need a record, export, or screenshot weekly summaries. If you don't see activity, check usage permissions, restart the device, and ensure the OS is current. Those fixes resolve common missing data issues quickly so tracking works reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.